What's up, beautiful people? This is Mike from My Gadgets World, and I hope you're having an amazing day. If you recently purchased the LG OLED C1, you have come to the right place because this video I'm going to show you how to assemble your LG OLED C1, and also we're going to talk about how to wall mount this TV and what accessories that I personally use to wall mount my LG OLED C1 48-inch. So make sure to watch this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel because if you haven't already, I have a lot of content coming up in your way. And let me know in the comment section what TV you personally bought this year, and let's begin the setting up this TV. So in the box, you can see that I'm laying it down on the floor. There's a reason why I'm doing it, and I'm going to talk about that later on. But right now, let's just take out what do we have inside the box. So we have this metal plate. This metal plate goes at the front of the TV, and then we have another plate which is for the back of the TV. You need to have both the plates because that's how it's going to support. So one's going to put pressure on the back and one on the front, and it's going to keep the TV straight. TV comes with the new Magic Remote Control, all the accessories that you need to put the stand together, and the batteries are included. There's a cover at the back that you're gonna make it nice and neat, and we have some literature to use. But what we're gonna do is first we're gonna assemble the TV. So these are the 4 screws that we're gonna use later. First, we're gonna assemble the stand itself. So stand requires 3 screws. We're gonna attach the front and back plate to which is part of the stand, and it's gonna go together. And there are the 3 screws that you have to put in, and your stand is ready to go. Alright guys, as you can see, that stand is ready to be placed on the TV, and this is why I had the box laying down flat on the ground so I can pick up my TV with the sheet on. You don't have to take off that protective sheet because it's going to protect it from the scratches. Then you have to do it, place the TV facing down the screen, and you can attach this stand with the help of those 4 screws that it came with it, and it will be ready to put it on the stand, on the TV stand or TV console. But before you do that, make sure to put the cover on the back, which is going to hide these 4 screws that we just put on, and your TV is ready. All right, now on the side of the TV, we have the 3 HDMI 2.1 ports, which are capable of doing 4K 120 Hz. One of them, HDMI 2, being eARC port, which can do the Dolby Atmos from the TV apps to your connected soundbar or to the receiver. And we have the USB port also on the side, and also we have one more HDMI port which is on the back of the TV, and additional 2 USB ports. Alright guys, as you can see that the TV is fully assembled, and now it is placed on the TV console and it's ready to go. Now we're going to talk about the second option, which is for the wall mounting, and this is for my personal setup that I use for LG OLED C1 48-inch, and I put it on the wall here. There was nothing there before, so I wanted to get a clean setup, and I got the Datacom cable organizer kit, which gives you this clean look. Rather having those wires dangling around, you get that clean look by running the wires inside the wall. And then I got the TV mounting bracket, which is the full motion, and it's compatible with LG OLED C1 48-inch and up to 55-inch, so you can use it without any issues. And I've been using it, and it's just the sturdy mount, and I can pull the TV forward about 15 inches. This is in the position where it is fully extended. It can be extended up to 14.9 inches, about like 15 inches, and it can be moved left, right, and also it can be tilted downward and upward. So it is really a versatile mount at a cost which doesn't break your bank, and it's about $39.99. Also, you're getting 5% off on Amazon, and it is really heavy. It's about 10 pounds in weight, so it can hold the TV really easily, but it's up to 55-inch. If you're looking at 65-inch wall mounted, then you have to look for accordingly. So now the wall mounting process, first thing you want to do is place these arms at the back of the TV. The screws comes with the mounting system, so you do not have to use the one that came with the TV because that's for the stand setup. And this requires M6 screws. You're going to have to use like that, and it's Vesa or Vesa, I don't know what they exactly say. And you can place this cover there because we are not mounting the stand, right? Then you're going to have to find where the stud is. In my case, always there's one stud, and then I have to put the other screws on the drywall. So if you are in that situation, I use these toggle screw kit, which gives you the option for a very sturdy mount. So we're going to be doing two on the stud and the two screws on the drywall using these toggle, and gonna do some measurements. Everybody has different kind of requirement when it comes to the wall mounting, how high they want, so you're gonna have to run your calculations. I just wanted it to be 36 inches, 3 feet high from the ground for the bottom part, because I'm gonna be using it for my PC, desktop PC setup, and also for my casual movie watching. So this is how it's going to be done. You have to find where the stud is not there, because now we're going to install the power kit. And for that, you have to fish the wire from the top, and you're going to have to cut your drywall. So I'll just say, make sure to follow all the instructions. The instructions came in the template that we use, and you can just cut the drywall. Thanks to my friend, because he came over, helped me out for this mounting, because I'm really bad at cutting the drywall, and he's kind of really handyman. So if you know how to use the tools, I mean, make sure to take all the precautions and then utilize your tools and cut the drywall, because once you cut it, it is something that really you don't want to ruin. As you can see that the holes we are making from the top and is going to be bottom, because there's nothing behind the drywall, so we can fish the wire easily from the top to bottom. And that's how we are cutting it at the top and the bottom. And we made sure from the stud finder that if there's anything behind. Also, we use the AC finder, which makes sure that there are no cables or wires behind, because you don't want to be just cutting and then touching those cables, electric cables that are behind. And then it's about like how high we want it to be, where you want it to be. And again, using the template, we're going to cut it and install that power box. Alright guys, so we picked up the TV and placed it on the wall plate, which is fully extended, and made sure to tighten up these screws, and this TV is ready to rock. And let me know in the comment section if you're gonna be putting it on the stand or you're gonna be wall mounting. And this is my PC setup and it is ready to rock, and I have showcased it in a couple of videos, but this is how it is wall mounted. And the cable management, still I have to work on it a little, because you see how it is. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be placing the table, and it's going to be covered at some point. I haven't covered it yet, but you can see how it is wall mounted, and the TV can be pushed forward. As I said, it's going to be pushed forward at least 15 inches easily. So that's what you can do with it. And also you can move it around, you can do left and right. So this gives you that versatility that you need. And that's all from this video, guys. Let me know if you really like this video. Any question that you guys have, leave it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, peace out.